Hi there, I'm going to show in this video how to unlock Alcatel Ot-1066. This is also from Telenor Hungary. As you can see, it's showing us SIM restricted. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use a patched flash available on Furiousgold box and write it using SPD service tool from pack 2 of the box. So I'm going to search for the model 1066. I'm going to select right firmware and select the unlock firmware from here. We download it from the support area. And now I'm going to press connect. So we are going to leave the battery inside. I am going to power off the phone. And now I'm going to keep pressed the call key, is this key here, and insert the USB in the mobile. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the process starts. You can see here the phone info. Now the patched flash writing started, so we need to wait a few minutes till the process completes. So the finishing process completed. Now the phone resets, and let's check if it's unlocked. As you can see, full signal, orange Romania. Now let's try to make a call. So everything is okay, the phone is fully unlocked. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Continue to use our products. Bye bye.